Yo, tech lovers, ready to have your mind blown? Because today we're diving into a world of jaw-dropping inventions and next-gen technology that's changing how we live, work, and play. So don't blink, don't scroll, and definitely don't miss this, because the future isn't coming, it's already here, and it's waiting in your shopping cart. Kitcho K6, the entire kitchen in just 16 square feet. What if an entire, fully functional kitchen could fit inside a space smaller than a closet? Meet the Kitcho K6, a smart, space-saving marvel designed by the Swiss brand Kitcho, built for compact living without sacrificing essentials. At just 4.1 feet wide when its doors are open, the K6 takes up only 16 square feet. But don't let the size fool you. Behind those sleek, modern panels lies everything you need to cook, clean, and store. Open the doors, and you'll find a sink, a 2-burner stove, a dishwasher, a mini refrigerator, built-in cabinets, and even a multi-purpose countertop for meal prep. It's clean, it's clever, and it's incredibly efficient. This isn't a kitchen for hosting big family dinners or weekend feasts. But if you live in a studio apartment, need a compact solution for your office, or want a stylish kitchen in a tiny home, the Kitcho K6 is a perfect fit. Everything is tucked neatly behind minimalist panels that blend beautifully with modern interiors, making it easy to hide your entire kitchen when not in use. In a world where space is a luxury, Kitcho K6 proves you don't need an entire room to enjoy the comfort and function of a full kitchen. It's compact living, elevated. Kitcho K6, where big ideas live in small spaces. Lilium Jet represents a bold new chapter in aviation, a leap toward high-speed, sustainable air mobility. At the heart of this innovation is the Lilium Jet, a fully electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, or eVTOL, designed to change the way we move through cities and regions. Sleek, quiet, and emission-free, the Lilium Jet is engineered for both performance and sustainability. It offers a powerful alternative to conventional aircraft, not just in how it flies, but in how it fits into the urban landscape. Unlike traditional planes that require long runways or massive terminals, the Lilium Jet's streamlined design makes it ideal for smaller, existing infrastructures like heliports and rooftop pads. This flexibility opens the door for faster integration into modern cities, allowing more people to experience the speed and efficiency of air mobility without the need for new airports. But the technology is only part of the story. Lilium has been deeply focused on building the future, securing major investments, including a recent $114 million capital round, to bring this vision to life. Their goal is ambitious but clear: to decarbonize aviation and make clean, electric air travel a reality. The Lilium Jet isn't just about flying, it's about flying smarter, flying cleaner, flying quieter, and doing it all with a focus on sustainability and accessibility. As development continues, excitement builds around what this aircraft could mean for the future: faster city-to-city connections, reduced emissions, and a reimagined travel experience. The Lilium Jet isn't a distant dream. It's on its way. And with every step forward, it brings us closer to a world where air travel is no longer a burden on the planet, but a better, cleaner way to move. Fence wall spikes, the sharp solution to smarter security. Fence wall spikes are physical security barriers designed to prevent intruders from climbing over fences, walls, or rooftops. They feature a row of sharp, pointed edges that act as a powerful visual and physical deterrent, stopping unwanted entry before it starts. Made from hot-dipped galvanized steel, these spikes are built for durability. Whether it's scorching sun, heavy rain, or frost, they resist corrosion and stand strong against the elements. Their rugged build makes them perfect for residential, commercial, and even high-risk areas like schools or warehouses. Visually, they do more than intimidate. The black powder-coated finish helps them blend in with most surfaces while protecting against rust. So you get long-lasting performance and a clean look. Installation is straightforward. Use the included screws to attach them to wood or concrete surfaces. For added strength, you can also weld or nail them in place, ideal for permanent setups. Whether you're securing a backyard, a boundary wall, or a rooftop edge, fence wall spikes deliver peace of mind with minimal effort. They're discreet, effective, and built to last. Don't wait for a break-in to think about protection. Fortify your perimeter today with a barrier that sends a clear message: no entry here. MRL Traffic Printer, redefining road marking with speed and safety. The MRL Traffic Printer is a game-changing innovation in road marking, bringing automation, precision, and safety together like never before. Mounted on a truck and controlled directly from the driver's cabin, this thermoplastic printer allows operators to apply any road symbol in under 30 seconds. That means no more manual stenciling on live roadways, drastically improving worker safety and cutting down time on site. Its automated system ensures each marking is applied with perfect accuracy and consistency, no matter the conditions. Whether it's arrows, bike lanes, or pedestrian crossings, everything is just a tap away, thanks to the printer's extensive digital symbol library. Not only does it reduce the need for manual labor, but it also speeds up the entire process, making it far more efficient and cost-effective. The result? Roads that are safer, clearer, and completed in record time. From busy highways to city intersections, the MRL Traffic Printer sets a new benchmark for modern road maintenance, combining cutting-edge technology with real-world practicality. Faster, safer, and smarter. It's the future of road marking. Ehang 2116, the autonomous air taxi that's taking off. Imagine skipping traffic by simply flying over it. No pilot, no steering wheel, just a fully autonomous electric aircraft ready to take you from point A to B. Meet the Ehang 216, a groundbreaking eVTOL, or electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, developed by Chinese tech pioneer Ehang. This futuristic vehicle is designed for autonomous passenger transport, meaning it flies itself, no pilot needed. The Ehang 216 uses a coaxial rotor system with 16 rotors spread across 8 arms. This design offers high stability, quiet operation, and smooth vertical lift. With a top speed of 130 km per hour, a maximum range of 35 kilometers, and a flight time of about 21 minutes, it's built for short urban commutes, a perfect alternative to congested roads. Best of all, it's fully electric, making it a clean, zero-emission mode of travel. The 2116 is remotely monitored and controlled through 4G and 5G networks, and it follows predefined routes with pinpoint accuracy. Its autonomous system is backed by multiple layers of safety, including redundant rotors, backup batteries, and fail-safe landing protocols. The Ehang 216 isn't just a concept, it's real, tested, and already flying in several countries. It recently made history as the first eVTOL to receive type certification from the Civil Aviation Administration of China, officially approving it for passenger flights. So whether you call it a flying taxi, a drone for humans, or the future of urban mobility, one thing's clear: the Ehang 216 is changing how we think about travel. The sky is no longer the limit, it's your next ride. Wheelbot, the future of tires and urban mobility. Meet Wheelbot, an innovative concept by Korean tire and technology giant Hankook, aiming to revolutionize the way vehicles move and park. At its core, Wheelbot is a 360-degree omnidirectional tire system that combines robotics with cutting-edge tire technology to enable vehicles to move sideways, diagonally, or spin in place, unlocking movement once thought impossible in traditional vehicles. Imagine struggling with tight, parallel parking in a crowded city. With Wheelbot, there's no need to twist your steering wheel back and forth. Instead, your car can simply slide sideways into a parking space, making everyday driving significantly less stressful and more efficient. This type of maneuverability could also enhance navigation in narrow alleys, multi-level garages, and automated delivery scenarios. Wheelbot represents Hankook's first major leap into smart urban mobility, merging AI, robotics, and tire dynamics into one seamless system. It's part of the company's long-term vision to urbanize mobility and respond to evolving transportation challenges with modular, intelligent solutions. The technology integrates independent drive modules within each wheel, allowing individual control and movement coordination, similar to robotics platforms. Whether it's for autonomous cars, delivery bots, or future public transit, Wheelbot could become a cornerstone in next-gen transport design. Though still in development, Hankook has announced that Wheelbot is fully operational and testable, suggesting commercial applications may not be far off. It's more than just a smart tire. It's a glimpse into a future where vehicles adapt to cities, not the other way around. With Wheelbot, Hankook is boldly steering the automotive industry toward a smarter, more flexible future. The Dookan Loft Penthouse, the ultimate multifunctional tent for outdoor adventures. The Dookan Loft Penthouse redefines what it means to camp in comfort and style. Priced at $1,499, this innovative shelter isn't just a tent. It's a versatile outdoor living solution built for those who demand more from their gear. Whether you're camping in the wild, relaxing at the beach, or fishing by a lakeside, this penthouse-style tent adapts to your needs with ease. What makes the Loft Penthouse truly unique is its transformable design. With a few quick adjustments, it converts into a 3-person tent, a sunbed, a fishing shelter, or even a diving deck, all in one product. This makes it the ideal companion for campers, danglers, and nature lovers who value flexibility in their outdoor setup. Built on a sturdy aluminum frame, the tent offers excellent durability and stability in varying weather conditions. Despite its robust structure, it features a quick setup process and packs down into a compact form, making it easy to transport and store. Comfort is at the heart of the Loft Penthouse's design. You can lounge on the integrated hammock, enjoy scenic views from an elevated platform, or take cover from rain or sun under its weather-resistant canopy. It's made for both relaxation and adventure, ensuring you're never limited by terrain or climate. Currently available via Kickstarter, prices range from $270 to $335 for early backers, making it a worthwhile investment for those seeking next-level outdoor living. Whether you're a weekend explorer or a serious outdoor enthusiast, the Dookan Loft Penthouse delivers a new standard in luxury camping. DJI RoboMaster S1 is more than just a remote-controlled toy. It's a powerful educational robot that turns playtime into a hands-on learning experience. At first glance, the S1 impresses with its sleek, high-tech design. It's controlled by a dedicated app or remote, and right away, you'll notice how responsive and agile it is. The robot can move forward, backward, sideways, and diagonally, with smooth maneuverability and the ability to tackle small obstacles with ease. But beneath that fun exterior lies a serious educational tool. The RoboMaster S1 is designed to teach core STEM subjects like physics, mathematics, programming, and even AI and robotics. It's not just a robot you drive, it's one you can program and teach. Using intuitive coding tools like Scratch or Python, users can make the S1 recognize colors, identify objects, follow paths, and execute custom sequences, making it an ideal learning companion for both beginners and tech-savvy students. Want to take it further? Owners can race and battle their S1 units in competition mode. In this mode, the robot unlocks special combat abilities, including using its camera to disable opponents. And yes, it comes with a gel ball blaster, adding a layer of friendly competition to its many features. At $550, the RoboMaster S1 is an investment, but one that offers huge value. It combines robotics, coding, gaming, and AI into one compact interactive platform. Whether you're a student, a hobbyist, or just someone who loves smart gadgets, this robot doesn't just entertain, it educates, it challenges, and it inspires. Because learning is better when it's moving, firing, and thinking right along with you. Souk Livid Bull 1.0, off-road power meets urban precision. The Souk Livid Bull Series 1.0 is not your average electric scooter. It's a rugged, three-wheeled beast built for both city streets and off-road adventures. Powered by dual 2,500-watt motors and a 48-volt, 1,123-watt-hour removable battery, it reaches speeds up to 45 kilometers per hour and offers a range of up to 60 kilometers on a single charge. A full recharge takes about 8 hours, making it perfect for overnight top-ups. Crafted from durable aluminum alloy and steel, the Livid Bull weighs 50 kilograms and supports loads up to 120 kilograms. Despite its toughness, it folds down for easier transport and storage. Its aggressive stance comes from 12-inch front and 11-inch rear tubeless tires, hydraulic disc brakes, inverted hydraulic front suspension, and dual independent rear shocks, delivering stability and control across rough terrain or uneven roads. Additional features include IP54 water resistance, LED headlights, turn indicators, and a vibrant color LED display for speed, battery, and system info at a glance. With a design focused on performance and reliability, the Livid Bull is ideal for riders who need serious power and serious fun, whether you're navigating traffic or tearing through trails. Starting at $4,000, this is the perfect blend of urban functionality and off-road capability in one tough, electrified package. Oura Ring Gen 3, the smart ring that knows you best. The Oura Ring Gen 3 isn't just a sleek piece of jewelry. It's a compact health-tracking powerhouse wrapped around your finger. While it may not grant mythical powers, it does offer advanced insights into your body's wellness, making it a favorite among athletes, biohackers, and wellness enthusiasts. This smart ring monitors your sleep quality, offering detailed reports on deep sleep, REM cycles, and overall restfulness. Its blood oxygen saturation tracking helps users understand breathing patterns, while heart rate monitoring supports better fitness and stress management. A standout feature of the Oura Ring is its ability to optimize biorhythms, giving recommendations on the best time to rest, move, or focus based on your body's signals. For women, it includes menstrual cycle tracking, offering flexible predictions by analyzing temperature trends, stress levels, and sleep data. Despite its advanced capabilities, the Oura Ring is minimalist and lightweight, available in 8 sizes and 5 colors, weighing just 4 to 6 grams. Its sleek design makes it ideal for 24/7 wear, blending into any lifestyle seamlessly. On a single charge, the battery lasts up to 7 days, and it recharges quickly. With a price tag of $300, the Oura Ring Gen 3 is positioned as a premium wellness accessory, combining design elegance with cutting-edge biometric tracking. Whether you're aiming to optimize performance, track recovery, or simply sleep better, this ring puts powerful health insights right at your fingertips. In a world where wearables are getting smarter and smaller, the Oura Ring Gen 3 proves that big health tracking doesn't require a big device, just a smart one.